gosh. You're freaking out, Kim. Just really weird. Yeah, that's nice, actually, Peter. You see? Did you see that? I'll go to Venetian and Parisian. You see that Londoners going to Venetian Macau and Parisian Macau, this side. Show you the shape back home. Fighting someone, as you can hear, it's so loud. You can see, it's so nice. Ay, may gulay. What? Guys, don't forget to like and share. Don't miss this video, this live. Ticket for you. See? What is beautiful. This side, there's so many taking the picture from that sun. I don't know how to do the last time. I'll try. Someone Filipino, and then editing. Will editing. See how beautiful. That is Londoners. I heard someone said this Londoners honored by Jack Chan because the last time we have NBA player all coming here in Macau. We'll see if that is true. Yeah, said. I'll take the picture from there. I don't know how to do it.